hands from both the teams. That is Qasim Ali from Punjab, as well as Nishant from KKR. Welcome to all of you guys.
Thanks, Anish.
Thank you,
Anish,
Anish.
let me come to you first. This win will give Eoin Morgan and KKR a confidence after 4 back-to-back losses.
Sorry, that's for me. Anish, sorry, I didn't get
Yes,
it.
yes, Naresh.
Yeah.
This win will give a lot of confidence.
Yes, and it was a bit disappointing to see the way Punjab batsmen approached in the first inning, because they were playing a team which was bottom of the table. They were themselves low on confidence, especially after the last game in Wankhede. And Punjab coming with a very good win over defending champions Mumbai, though it was a tough wicket in Chennai compared to this one. So that disappointment, is not good to see the way they approached. But yes, for Morgan, it's like, breathing fresh air in a new venue. That one, he's got a good knock. Secondly, he got the side to win with a decent margin and the overs in hand. So he would be looking for that hope that if they can get a couple of more wins, even their net run rate would improve. But overall, disappointing from Punjab Kings.
Dia, what do you think KKR did right?
I think first of all, coming to their bowling in the very first place, I mean, in the power play, Punjab was able to score, at like the 6 runs per over. So, I think Shivam Mavi squeezed in those runs, and he was really good with his bowling, I would say, because the pitch was not offering, I would say the pitch was offering, it was keeping a bit low. There was, it was not that good of a batting track. It was kind of sluggish, very similar to Chepauk, I would say. And then the KKR spinners like Naran and Varun Chakravarti made good use of, this pitch. As you know, those middle overs did the job for them, because Punjab was completely choked by them. So I would say the bowling played a really important role, first of all. And then in the batting as well, but one loophole, I would say that Shubman Gill is still not, getting the hang of things. That's, not a good sign for KKR. But the way Captain Morgan himself stepped up for this game and was awarded the man of the match was good to see. His captaincy was good in this match. The bowling changes, I would say the fielding positions were good. So his captaincy was still good this time. And we saw that in his batting as well. So KKR did everything right on their part, and I think a lot of things are to be seen for like what Punjab is thinking. So a lot of loopholes for them, I would say.
All right, we have a happy Nishant. Finally, a win after 4 consecutive losses. I can see that big broad smile. Nishant,
for sure.
Tell me what did Morgan did right?
So I agree with Naresh when he said that Punjab should have kept their confidence higher, especially after coming from a good game, and compared to KKR, who's in the bottom of the table, and they should have stepped up and put a good fight. I'm sure KKR did a good job by restricting them. They used the pitch wisely. Morgan knew what's happening, and he gave the bowlers the chance accordingly. When they saw that Cummins was being played easier than Mavi, then he let Mavi continue, and I think that's what kind of gave away less runs in the power play. And that's when batsmen were developing pressure. Punjab top order was getting pressurized. I'm sure even the spinners did their best with keeping the score very low and getting some quick wickets. With batting, of course, Gill is not getting his form right, and Tripathi was going well, but then he should. I think he needs a more sensible game approach, because he's getting to 20s, 30s, 40s every game, and then he's just kind of throwing his wicket away. But then, of course, we have a deep batting order, so Morgan kind of took it along, and that was nice. Yeah. So I'm glad they got on a winning note.
All right. Qasim Ali, disappointed after that good win against Mumbai?
Yeah, it's the same old story which has been going on in this IPL for Punjab. KL Rahul trying to adapt to a position which he's not in right now. He's not someone who needs to bat the 20 overs. He's their aggressive hitter. He needs to take up that opportunity of the opening batsman and play like he used to, like for the India for how he plays for India. And they still need to get in David Malan somehow. Pooran, Gale, they're not up to the mark. They're still not being able to get into their own groove. So the way Jordan played, that was just the only positive from the batting point of view. And bowling really can't do anything once you have 120 on the board. So you really can't judge the way they bowled. So yeah, so it's again the batting which has let them down. So the bowlers did their job last time and they won, but the batsmen needs to step up and do well in the other matches.
Anis, I need to
Naresh,
add to Kasim that Jordan was playing his first game of the season. So if the rest of the batsmen have struggled, this means Jordan has been a very brilliant batsman on this pitch.
Yeah.
I was actually going to ask you this question.
Okay.
That the wicket was a bit tacky.
Yeah.
And a couple of loose shots by the set batsmen like Mayank and Puran. Another 15 runs in the bank. You think it would have been a close game?
Yeah, at least close to a 150. They should have looked for at least that much, because even, if you compare, I still feel it was better than Chennai, because this was the first match on this pitch. We'll have to further see how it behaves when it is, used more and more games. But at least a 150 would have been something which Rahul could have felt more confident about. But yes, he and Mayank needs to take that responsibility, which is lacking compared to what happened in the last season. They were probably the best openers in the entire IPL. Are they going to look at changing the batting order and try to get Gale up? KKR has the same problem. But yeah, 150 should have been at least there for them to make a match out of. And I think they lost that opportunity. 122 was just too less. And as Kasim said, if Jordan would have not got 30 of that 18, probably they would have been close to what they did against Chennai, about 105, 107.
Right.
Yeah, true.
Punjab 3 scores of 100, 120. Must be some concern in their batting order. Dia?
You are talking about Punjab, right?
Yep.
So, well, I would say, as I always say, entire Punjab's batting is dependent on KL Rahul, but his entire issue has been his strike rate. Like it's like 6 runs per over. That's what he scores. Today also I saw like he was 19 of 20 balls. So, and why I don't know why they're not playing the number 1 T20 batsman David Malan. I think he can be brought into the attack this time, into their playing 11. And Chris Gale also didn't fire for them. Mayank Agarwal, he scored well against Delhi, but still is not continuing, to the form that he got. So, and again, their overseas batsmen and bowlers are, just upsetting them, I would say, at this moment. And their entire dependence on KL Rahul is definitely costing them. This is what I would say. So a lot of thinking needs to be done for this. And I would say David Malan should definitely come in. They got Ravi Bishnoi and he did a great job. I would say that catch was amazing. So, but I think another thing should be that, they should definitely look for, to bring in David Malan. Maybe that might bring in some change. And KL Rahul, even if he's striking like, even if he's scoring 6 runs per over and everything, the only thing that he needs to hang in there and maybe get his team through, because there is no one in the end who is going to do the job. Shah Rukh Khan, I think he is looking a great prospect, but this time also he couldn't score much runs today this time. But I guess he has shown signs of, being that finisher for them and he can do the job. So I think if he'll also get more backing, he can be that finisher for them. But KL Rahul needs to be there till the end for them to score a respectable total.
All right. Now, as always, your teams must have not won on the field. Kasim Ali, you still have a chance to beat your compatriot Nishant on Mr. Cricket's page. So let me throw you up some questions. I want Dia to be on the side of KKR and Naresh to be on the side of Punjab. All right. So you need to support them, Naresh, if they are not able to answer them. Okay. All set, guys? Are you ready?
Yeah.
The first question will be to Nishant.
Yeah.
Who was the highest wicket taker for KKR today?
Prasidh Krishna.
I am finding an echo of somebody. I'm not sure who's that. Nonetheless, it was Prasidh Krishna. Do you think it's the right answer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Dia, can I lock it?
Yes, lock.
Okay. My first question to Kasim Ali.
Yes.
Who was the highest scorer for Punjab?
Mayank Agarwal with a very bad strike rate.
All right. Naresh, should you give it to him? He said Mayank Agarwal with a bad strike rate. So should I take the
Yeah, he
striker
got a
into account
31,
or his
one less
answer?
than Jordan. Yeah, third Jordan.
All right.
Answer.
Let's lock kar
The
diya
answer
jaye.
is correct.
Okay. Now let me come to Nishant again. Who's
Yeah.
the man of the match of today's game?
Ian Morgan.
Diya, do you agree?
Yes.
Lock kar do?
Yes.
Yeah.
So KKR is ahead. Kasim Ali, you need to make sure that you beat him here. All right. My second question to you. Who got the first wicket for Punjab?
For Punjab, I think it was Hendricks.
A bit confused.
He should have bowled another over, but he just bowled one over. So
You are complaining after every answer.
yeah,
So Naresh, is it right? Mosaic Hendricks took the first wicket?
Yes. The only over he bowled a full toss, he got Nitish Rana. Yeah.
Okay. Now let me ask my dear friend, how many wickets did Prasidh Krishna take?
3.
Is it the right answer, Diya?
Yes.
Nishant, are you confident?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Okay. Let me come to the last. I want a tie like yesterday's super over. We can go into it. Kasim Ali.
sure.
How many runs did Chris Gale score today?
Naresh bhai, any idea?
0. He got that.
yeah, good.
Yeah. Anis
Anda.
is
It's
spoiling
100
your
less
mood
than a
more.
century.
Spoiling your mood more. Yeah.
Anyway,
Went to
so
the
it's
third
a
umpire,
tie.
yeah.
Naresh has helped you out. My question now is very, very simple. I have to give it to the super over winner. I would like to throw in a question, but I think आज के लिए इतना काफी है. कासिम अली, आपकी टीम on field भी हारी है, off the field भी हारी है. Nishant, you are the winner. Well done. And I
Thank you.
hope KKR keeps going well. Thank you, Naresh. Thank you, Diya. Thank you, Kasim. We look
Thank
forward
you.
to catching you on more and more shows. And I hope you will, this show can bring a bit of a smile to some people's face as much as we can do in our own capacity.
For sure.
All right.
For sure.
Yes,
Thanks,
thank you.
guys. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
stay safe, stay blessed.
Thank you.